Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to find add-ons on your Google Form. So for example, if you add the add-ons on your Google Form, then you can easily customize, you can easily create any type of form on the Google Form. So you can see I created something. So if you want to add on, get add-on, then click here three dot and you can see get add-on. So simply click here, then after sometimes of the all add-ons will be appeared here. So you can see like GPT for sheets, doc forms, GPT for Google Form, GPT. So there are a lot of things here. There are many things, and million downloaded this thing. Work with form, price. You can see like paid, or you can see like free of charge. There are a lot of free pays. So for example, uh, I'm just going to and you need to install it, and you have to sign in Google, like choose your account, you have to continue it, and you have to allow all the things. So that's it. So now you find the things, work with Google Sheets, you can see. So this way you can find the add-ons. So I just go back and refresh, and I'll create more video how to use add-ons and upcoming tutorials. So okay, for today's no man, see you next video.